guys, I'm Charity Dawn Anyhong. So I'll show you the process to this picture that I edit. So first, I'll save some pictures that I'll use for my editing. After I save some picture, my editing apps is PixArt. So I'll pick the pictures that I want to edit, and here this is my first picture that I want to use for my edit, and this one for my second picture. So I cut the background of this picture that I only want and adjust it. And I'll just do it like the same thing that I did to the first video. And after the process, this is the result that I edit. And I add some background for my picture. And I adjust the background, and here this is the thing that I do, and after the cutout thing, and this is the result. And thank you for watching.
First is go to Google and search a background. You can choose there if what background you would like to put. So I choose this one. After that is go to PixArt. Click the background that you choose and back to the add photo and click one photo of yourself or any kind of photo that you want to put there. To the layout and click the person. Arrange it in the proper arrangement. Click sticker and search apps. I choose Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, and Facebook. PixArt, Netflix, WhatsApp, phone, and search Messenger. At this time, I change the logo of YouTube apps. After I arrange, I go to the stickers and search the communication. So, the result there is related on communicate or communication. So, I choose this sticker and this one. You are free to put a sticker whatever you want. After you set up, go to the next and save. Save picture on your photos. And go to the photos and see it. Thank you.
Magandang araw sa lahat. Ngayon ipakikita ko kung paano ko gawin ang aming performance. At pumili ako ng mga litrato at inayos ko para malinis at magandang tignan. Dito pinilitan ko ng background dahil parang hindi maganda. nagdagdag pa ako ng isang litrato. Ito na ang kinakalabasan sa aking ginagawa.
Good morning, Soy Jamraga. I'm Arinzi Guraga. Today, I am going to teach you how to edit in InShot. Click InShot, then click Photo, allow, click your picture. Then find peep to another picture. If you are done, you can click one picture to blend, and you can use effects to blend, and you can adjust if you want. All of the picture you can blend to edit. And if you're done, click export. Then that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Magandang araw guys. Ang gagawin ko po ngayon ay performance task ng MIL. Una, hanapin mo, mag-download ka muna ng PixArt apps. Sa akin naka-download na, kaya pinindot ko na ito. Tapos i-open. At dito, picture na gagamitin ko. Ito yung gamitin ko. Tapos pindutin yung add photo. Pumili ng logo na gusto mo. Tapos pag may napili ka na, alisin mo yung background sa logo para malinis din tignan. Pagkatapos mo nang naalis, ilalagay mo na lang kung saan gusto mo siya ilagay. Sa akin dyan sa bandang gilid. Tapos mag-add photo ka na naman. Tapos pindot ulit ng pumili ulit ng logo na gusto mo. Tapos dito inaayos ko na lang. Yan. At dito parehas lang yung ginagawa ko sa kanila. At palit-ulit na lang yan lahat ang gagawin. At dito na natatapos ang aking ginagawa. Ito na po yung final output.
I'm Jerome Virapirap. This performance task in MIL or editor. First of all, the change of the background and to white. click the media logo. I choose this picture and arrange one by one. Thank you for watching. Good morning, sir. This is my performance in email. Una, ga-install ko apps. Ang ipang-erase sa mga background sa apps. Tanang background sa apps isa ang ipang-erase. Ang gi-adjust para mugamay. Gisa na po daw diyang gi-erase ang gi-erase ang background. Diyan gi-adjust sa ng size. Diyan. Ang gi-adjust sa ng size para mugamay sir. Diyan gi-plaster. Ug maura ni tanan akong na-edit sir. Thank you.